In this video, I will share with you top 5 best blenders in 2024. Number 1. Cuisinart Hurricane CBT1500P1. This powerhouse boasts a 1500-watt motor and a 64-ounce glass carafe, making it perfect for large batches and ice crushing. My smoothies were consistently smooth and the frozen margarita test was a dream. However, the large base and blade assembly requires significant storage space, and the manual controls felt a bit clunky compared to some newer models. Number 2. Vitamix Ascent A3500. The king of blenders, the Vitamix A3500 lived up to its legendary status. This beast pulverized everything I threw at it, from frozen dates to raw kale, leaving not a single chunk behind. The self-cleaning feature was a game-changer, and the intuitive touchscreen controls made blending a breeze. However, the hefty price tag and hefty weight might make it a bit too much for casual blenders. Number 3. Breville BBL 920 Super Q. This sleek machine packs a punch with its 1800-watt motor and 72-ounce BPA-free carafe. It tackled frozen fruit like a champ and even churned out surprisingly smooth almond butter. The pre-programmed settings and variable speed dial offered flexibility, while the heating element opened up a world of hot blending possibilities. But the hefty price tag and large footprint might deter some. Number 4. KitchenAid K400. This stylish blender brought a touch of retro charm to my countertop. The 1.5 horsepower motor handled most tasks well, although some tougher ingredients required a bit of nudging. The self-cleaning cycle was convenient, and the smoothie and ice crush presets were helpful. However, the plastic carafe felt slightly less durable than some competitors, and the lack of a tamper was a minor inconvenience. Number 5. Clean Blend Classic. This budget-friendly option surprised me with its capabilities. The 1500-watt motor and 64-ounce glass carafe made it surprisingly versatile, churning out smooth smoothies and even crushing ice with ease. The simple controls were straightforward, and the lifetime warranty offered peace of mind. However, the lack of pre-programmed settings and the bulkier design might not appeal to everyone. So, who is the champion? It depends on your needs and budget. The Vitamix A3500 is the undisputed king of performance, but its price tag is fit for royalty. The Breville Super Q offers impressive power and versatility. Though it comes at a premium, the KitchenAid K400 is a stylish and capable option for everyday blending, while the Clean Blend Classic is a budget-friendly workhorse. And the Cuisinart Hurricane is a great choice for large families and ice-crushing enthusiasts. Ultimately, the best blender is the one that fits your lifestyle and budget. Take your blending needs into account, consider the features that matter most to you, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find your perfect match. Happy blending!